For task 15, you are going to be using tables to help you look for the patterns that will help you figure out the addition and subtraction expressions to write. So I'm going to go over numbers 4 and 7 on the front page, and then the rest of the problems are very similar, so you can refer back to this if you need some more help. So the problem started with that my older sister is exactly 2 years older than I am. Sharing a birthday is both fun and annoying. Every year we have a party, which is fun, but she always brags that she is 2 years older than I am, which is annoying. Shown below is a table of our ages starting when I was born. So you could see that when I was 0, my sister's age was 2. When I was 1, my sister is 3. So if you notice, going from my age to my sister's age, we're always doing what math? So as we go from 0 to 2, 1 to 3, 2 to 4, 3 to 5, hopefully you're seeing that we're always adding 2. So we're adding 2 every single time. So that's definitely a pattern that we're going to use here. So for 4, it says, what if you don't know how old I am? Let's use a variable for my age. Let y be my age in years. Write an expression using y to express how old my sister would be. So this is saying if all of a sudden my age, we don't know how old I am, my age is y, to get my sister's age, how would I do that? Well, the pattern is still going to be the exact same. I'm still adding 2. So all I'm going to do is add 2. So the expression for how old my sister would simply be the expression y plus 2. I'm taking my age and I'm adding 2 years to it. Now number 7, now we're going to switch this. So it says if we use the variable g for my sister's age, write an expression that would describe my age in years. So now we're doing the opposite here. So now we're going backwards. So I'm going from my sister to my age. So as I'm drawing these arrows, kind of look at what pattern do you notice as I'm going from 2 to 0, 3 to 1, 4 to 2, 5 to 3, and 6 to 4. Alright, so you should have